Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mastan. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Very good. Right. So what is the number on roll now? 39 around. Okay. So far, 38 students have joined the class. So I'm expecting more than 45 by the time I start my class now. Okay. Well, good
Good
morning
morning,
to all of
sir.
you. Good morning to all of you once again.
Good morning, sir.
Today's class is, and so far we have completed how many tenses in changing the voice from active voice to passive voice? Five.
Right, sir.
Five tenses, na?
Yes, sir.
What are the five?
Simple present, present continuous tense,
Hmm.
Present
present
perfect
perfect
tense,
tense,
past
Hmm.
past
simple tense,
simple tense, past continuous tense.
Okay, what next today?
past perfect tense,
Past perfect tense. What is the structure for past perfect tense?
subject plus had plus v3 plus
Subject plus had plus V3. Okay, very good. So now I will open the sharing to have a look at the structures, how to change the sentence from active voice to passive voice, and please follow the carefully here. Okay. If there is any disconnection from my side, you please inform me by WhatsApp immediately, and so that I can reconnect later. Right? Well, can you see the screen now?
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir.
Well, so here the rules have been mentioned here to change the from active voice to passive voice here. So as one of your friends already said, the structure of active voice is clearly mentioned in two colors here. That is subject plus, had plus V3 and object. Okay. So you can have your screenshot later. First, pay some attention to listen to me. Okay. And here the subject is becoming object as usually, and the object is becoming subject. And here had plus V3 is here, and the had is becoming had been. And the only change you find in this sentence is been is added from active voice to passive voice. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So while changing the sentence into passive voice, I mean the negative sentence now. So the negative sentence structure is subject plus had not plus V3 and object here. And when we change the negative sentence into passive voice, subject plus had not been plus VP by plus agent as usually. And most of you are feeling very difficulty in understanding the questions. The questions are very, very important here. So have a look at the question in past perfect tense. How does it begin? It begins with the had, that is auxiliary verb. Okay. Had plus subject plus V3 and object here. And when you change the active voice structure into passive voice structure, you find had plus subject been to be added here, and are usually V3 and by plus agent here. So is that clear now? The rules which I have mentioned here to change the sentence from active voice to passive voice now. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Right. So did you take the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Very good. So we'll move to the exercise now. So here is an exercise. So I think it's already in passive voice now. Okay. The sentence is already in passive voice. Am I correct? Change the sentence into active voice now. So here is the floor subject, and here Misha is the object. And what you need to do now? You need to bring this Misha here now. Okay. And you should send the floor the other side now. Okay. Right. Tell me the active voice now.
Misha had cleaned the floor.
Misha had
Had cleaned
yeah,
the floor.
cleaned the floor.
Floor.
That's it. Okay. Now the second sentence. Second sentence is given in active voice here. That is it a negative sentence or positive sentence?
Negative, sir.
Yeah, negative sentence. And what makes that negative sentence is only just an OT is making the difference now. Okay. So read out the sentence.
Vidhi had not received the parcel.
Parcel. So Srilata, not yourself, somebody else. When there are 40 plus students in the class, you know that why should I get answer only from one girl always, ma?
The parcel had not been received
Yeah.
by Vidhi.
Oh, just a minute. Wait. First, you tell me your name. Who are you?
Tulsi,
The
sir.
parcel, because I can't see the screen now. I can't see the screen. Okay. Is it the tiger? Okay. So the parcel. The parcel
The parcel had not
Tell me now.
been seen by Vidhi.
Had not been
Received by Vidhi.
Received by Vidhi.
Vidhi.
Okay. Right. So here Vidhi is the subject is becoming object here, and the parcel is becoming the subject here. Right. Okay. Now other than tiger, others please. Anyone else from the
The
class?
doubt being solved by Vishal, sir.
Who are you, madam?
I am Vasundhara, sir.
Okay, Vasundhara. First, you read the active voice sentence, ma.
Vishal
Vishal
had
had solved the doubt. In this sentence, Vishal is the subject and doubt is the object. So when we change the sentence from active voice to passive voice, and this doubt, the doubt, whatever the object you find in active voice, should write first in place of subject now. The
been
doubt had been
solved by Vishal, sir.
solved by
Vishal.
Vishal. Right. So now Tulsi, Vasundhara, and Srilata have done. What about boys now? One boy. It's very easy. Now the question. So if you want any help from the structure, I will get the structure of this past perfect tense structure in the question format here. So here I give you the structure now. Okay. And try to change the sentence by using the structure which I have given there now. No boys are present in the class?
The thief was caught, sir.
Was just a minute, wait. Who is that? I'm calling Mastan and Vishnu is responding now. Okay, Vishnu, tell me.
The thief was caught, sir.
No, you see the structure I have given very clearly here. In this way, you have to change the sentence into passive voice. Because this is a question, not a sentence. What is in active voice now? Read out the sentence in active voice. Vishnu.
Had they caught the thief?
Had they caught the thief? Okay. Had they caught the thief? So that is in active voice. In past perfect tense, that is question. Now change. I gave you the clues here, ma. Ikkada chudu. Fine on the right. I have given you the clues here now. దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని చెప్పమని చెప్పాను మీకు. రైట్. స్టార్టింగ్ ఏం రావాలి విష్ణు?
The thief had been catch the thief, sir.
మస్తాన్ ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చి నేను ఫస్ట్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ ఏముంది ఫస్ట్ కనపడుతుంది స్క్రీన్ మీద నీకు? ఐఎమ్ హైలైటింగ్ విత్ రెడ్ మా. వాట్ ఈస్ దాట్? యూ కాంట్ సీ దట్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్, వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ దేర్ మా. దీని ప్రకారం మీరు రాయమని చెప్తున్నా కింద. ఇప్పుడు స్టార్టింగ్ ఏం రావాలి? హ్యాడ్.
సార్ నేను చెప్పేసాను.
చెప్పు. హ్యాడ్
the thief
been
caught by them.
Caught. CAUGH. Caught by them. అంతే. ఎందుకు అంత డిఫికల్టీ ఫీల్ అవుతారు? ఇంత క్లియర్ గా మీకు పైన స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇచ్చాను కదా. How to change the above sentence into passive voice. The structure is clearly mentioned now.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir.
I will give one more sentence to you now. Okay.
Okay.
Had he and he completed homework. To change this into passive voice now by using the same structure which I have mentioned in the above sentence. You follow the structure which I have highlighted here. Okay,
had completed,
1 minute, 1 minute. హ్యాడ్ తర్వాత ఏముంది అక్కడ బాగా చూసుకో కళ్ళు తెచ్చి. హ్యాడ్ తర్వాత ఏం రావాలి? సబ్జెక్ట్ రావాలన్నాను.
అవును సార్.
సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏది? ఇప్పుడు ఈ సెంటెన్స్ లో, నేను ఇచ్చిన సెంటెన్స్ లో ఇది సబ్జెక్ట్ కదా, ఈ.
సరే సార్, he.
ఇంకొకటి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏంటి? అరే లెట్ హిమ్ సే. హోంవర్క్. ఇప్పుడు పాసివ్ వాయిస్ లోకి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏది రావాలి సబ్జెక్ట్ గా? Others keep quiet. Let Mastan speak out.
సార్ had homework.
Had homework. Subject tarvata em undi ikkada?
Sir, been completed.
Now V3. Completed by
him.
Yes, exactly. So now you understand?
Okay.
So next one more please. I had paid 50,000. I had paid 50,000. Is anybody waiting for me, the class here? So tell me now how to change the structure into passive voice now that I had paid 50,000. What is the subject in the sentence?
I, sir.
Very good. And the object? 1,000 or 50,000?
50,000.
So 50,000 is the object now. So what to do now while changing the sentence from active voice to passive voice? You need to bring this object as subject now. Okay. What is the object in the above sentence?
50,000, sir.
So now start with the 50,000. Right, 50,000. Next time Ravali?
Had been.
Had been.
Paid
And
by.
V3. Paid by?
Me.
Is it me or I?
Me, sir.
Very good. So this is past perfect tense. Okay. If anybody is late to the class now, please take down the screenshot now immediately. This one. Whoever is late to the class, just have a screenshot and we will move to the next sentence now. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go to the next tense?
Okay, sir.
Right. Yeah. So far we have completed two tenses now. That is present tense and past tense. In the present tense we have covered three tenses, and in the past tense also we have covered three tenses. And now in future tense we are going to cover only two tenses now, because I told you in the first day how many tenses have been identified without passive voice.
Present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense.
Yes, exactly. So that in this how many tenses we are going to learn now in future tense?
Only two, sir.
Only two. What are they? First one is
Simple future, future perfect, sir.
yes. Now let us see. Let us have a look at this simple future tense rules and regulations, how to change from active voice to passive voice. And see here, in active voice you find the subject plus will, whatever you can hear, where will, shall, can, may, all the model verbs I already told you when I was telling tenses. I hope you remember that. Okay. So now after will, you will find again V1, that is present form of verb. And of course at the end there should be an object. Then only you can change the sentence into passive voice now. So now this is the active voice structure. And have a look at this passive voice structure. And the same here, the subject, and after subject what is added here? For will be is added. Will be, shall be, can be, and may be. And after that, what is the most important element in passive voice? V3. Okay. V3 is very important in passive voice in every tense, understand that. So all passive sentences will be written only in V3 forms. Okay. And obviously by plus agent is definitely will be there. So this is the structure of simple future tense for statements. And for questions, you see, and subject will not, understand simply, will not plus V1 plus object. Whereas when you write into passive voice, will not be, not will be not. Some of you may be confused, will be తర్వాత not పెట్టొచ్చేమో అని అనుకుంటా, but don't get that, okay? And the sentence is will not be, okay? Will not be plus however V3 and by plus agent here, okay? And when you see the question, and here the question begins with the helping verb, modal verb called will, shall, can, may. Here I have mentioned only will here, don't get confused, okay? So will, shall, can, may. And obviously the subject next to V1, and after that you find object here. And the question in passive voice also begins with the same modal verb, that is will, shall, may, can, okay? And here after this will, shall, may, and can, you write the subject as usually. What subject you find here? The object from passive voice. Sorry, the object from active voice will be the subject in passive voice. So after this subject, what is important here? V plus V3, that is very, very important. So the first one and the third one are very similar. So you just have a look at between these two here. These two are very similar, understand? Because this is the statement and this is the question. This is the statement and this is the question. Understand? Right. So is that clear now? Any doubts in the structure?
No, sir.
Now, shall we go to the exercise now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So see the first sentence. You find difficulty in reading some of the names here, so that I will change the name as Kriti. Also a very popular word. I think that you have been listening to this name very recently, no? Who is she, Kriti? You have any idea?
Heroine, sir, heroine.
Which movie, Mr. Mastana?
Actress. Upena.
So very passionate about all the heroines, that. And so, okay, Kriti will. Still, don't get confused here. I will guide one more word. Will buy the bag, okay? Kriti will buy the bag. So here, what is Kriti? Don't say heroine.
Subject.
Yeah, it is the subject. And what is the object in the sentence?
The bag.
The bag.
Bag. So now in passive voice, the sentence should begin with the
bag.
bag. Okay, the bag will be. Now by taluku V3 తెలిసి ఉండాలి మనకి ఇక్కడ. And this is okay. What is the third form of buy?
But.
Bought, sir.
Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Sorry. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought by
Kriti.
Very good. So is it easy? Is it easy or difficult to understand, ma?
Easy to understand.
Very good. So Kriti will buy the bank. Can you tell me one more sentence by using the same, just by changing the names or any other verb? One of you say in active voice, the other one say in passive voice. Who will say active sentence now? I will write on the board.
Ramesh will look into your problem.
Ramesh will
Look into your
problem. Okay, and somebody please change into a passive voice now.
Your problem.
Yeah, your problem
Will be looked into by Ramesh.
Will be looked into by
Ramesh.
Very good. నువ్వే చెప్తున్నావా? Where is Tiger?
Ravanya. Sir?
Okay. Right. Now, the negative sentence, ma. The negative sentence. Read out, please.
Disha will not arrange the things.
Disha will not arrange the things. Right? So, who will answer other than Srilata? Who will present here? Are you there? Either Shirisha or Hemlata. Please unmute your device.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shirisha is there. Shirisha, change the sentence into passive voice now. Disha will not arrange the things. So what is the object in the sentence?
The things, sir.
The things. Very good. So you should bring these things into the first place now. Okay. The things. Okay. You start the sentence with the things now. Very good. What next?
Will not be arranged by Disha, sir.
Will not be
Arranged by
by
Disha.
Disha. So do you know who is Disha? Where have you heard this name? Have you ever heard the word Disha?
Sir, in 2019.
2019?
In Telangana, the gang
Okay.
raped, sir.
Okay, at least the boy remembers. No girl remembers who is Disha and what is Disha.
Her name was Priya Reddy, sir.
Yeah.
Priyanka Reddy. Priyanka Reddy.
Priyanka Reddy was brutally raped and murdered by 4 youngsters, you know. So in association with that case, the case was named after Disha. I think every girl should know the story, understand that. You don't know who is Disha and what is Disha. Right, ma. We'll move on to the next one now. Will you mop the floor? I think the boys will do this job. Will you mop the floor? Yeah, the question, do you need the structures help now here? I'll get the structure for your understanding. Here is the structure for your understanding, ma.
Sir,
Boys, who is that?
Vishnu, sir.
Vishnu, tell me Vishnu. I gave you very clearly the structure to tell the sentence in passive voice now. The question, whatever is given there, okay? You need to see the question now. Will you mop the floor?
Will the floor be mopped by you?
Will the
The
floor
floor be
be
mopped
mopped?
by you?
Okay, by you. Right. Will the floor be mopped by you? Do you know what is the meaning of mop, Vishnu?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Tell me in Telugu.
Bun cleaning, sir.
I think you must be doing it very hard. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
RF also, sir.
Very good. Oh, boys have really doing great things, you know. Wonderful, wonderful. Keep it up. And the girl should feel ashamed of themselves, you know, that when the boys are doing, they never do actually, they never help the mother, you know. Only the sons will help the mother, if I am correct. Correct, Arif?
No, sir, we will do,
Right.
sir.
No, sir.
But nobody has said any answer, you know, that everybody is keeping quiet because you don't know what is mopping. If you know what is mopping, definitely you would have said answer.
You did not ask us, right?
No, I didn't mean that, you know, I just gave an open option to anyone. The boys have come forward. No girl has come forward, you know, to say the answer about even Disha also. I was really wondering that why you don't know who is Disha and what is Disha about. So that everything is known only to the boys, whether it is Disha or sweeping or mopping or cleaning or washing anything, understand? Okay, now they will post the letter. So who will come forward? And there are many silent spectators in the class, you know, let them come forward. These are very simple sentences I'm using. Got it? Hello. Yes, ma'am. They will post the letter. So they is the subject here. And what is the object?
The letter.
Very good. So the letter is the object now. So change the sentence to passive voice fast.
The letter will be
Very
posted
good.
by them.
The letter will be
Posted by them.
posted by them. Very good. That's it. Wonderful. So now, one more sentence, please. Let me see that who is dominating actually in the class. Is it the boys or girls now? Rina will save the money. Reena will save money.
Money will be saved by
is the
Reena.
subject. Oh, too fast, man. Just a minute. Wait. You should explain a sentence. What is the subject and what is the object and what are you going to change? Understand? Explain in the sentence. In the active voice, Reena will say money. Money is the object which can be used as subject now. Okay, tell me now. Money.
Money will be saved
Reena.
by Reena.
Money will be saved by
Reena.
Okay, very good. So I think it's very easy to understand now. Very good attempt. Both boys and girls have done wonderful job in simple future tense. So have a look at once, again the structure, and please take down the screenshot of the structure carefully, and you can do the exercises later now. So I hope you all understand now that what is simple present, simple future tense. Shall we go to future perfect tense now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Take down the structure faster, either screenshot or anything, and read out the rules for this future perfect tense. What is active voice?
Subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object.
Very good. And one boy, please, the same structure into passive voice now. Boys, don't take much time. Come fast. You're asked to read only the sentence, not to solve any issues there. Okay.
Subject plus will plus have plus been plus V3 plus by.
By plus convicted last law.
Object.
Object. Very good. So next in the negative sentence, will have not. Okay. And the negative sentence in passive voice will have not been added there. Okay. And the question is very important. Will plus subject plus have plus V3, and will plus subject plus have been plus V3 by object. Okay. Shall we go to the exercise, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. See here. What is the sentence, ma? Can you read out? No, I don't ask whether it is a boy or a girl. You please come forward.
They will have brought the toy.
They will have brought the toy. What is the subject?
They,
They.
sir.
And the object?
The toy.
The toy. Right. So now start the sentence with the
boy.
The boy or the toy?
The toy, sir.
The toy. The toy
Will have
been brought by them.
will have been
brought by them.
Brought by them.
brought by them. Arey, how many people are being involved in this sentence? Congratulations to all of you. Very good. Okay, next sentence, please.
Nimesh will not have changed the table.
Is it a positive or negative sentence?
Negative, sir.
Negative sentence now. Okay. What is the subject?
Nimesh.
Nimesh is the subject. And what is the object?
The table cover.
The table or the cover or the table cover?
The table cover.
Yeah, it is complete. Okay. Right. Now the
Table cover.
the table cover
Will not have been changed by
will
Nimesh.
not have been
Changed by Nimesh.
changed by
Nimesh.
okay, done. Right. So are you writing down, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write down, okay? And the next sentence question now. Will she have written the notes? Will she have written the notes? And here, object is to be identified carefully. The notes. Okay? How will the question begin? Will the question begin with is and Will she? Will she not? Who is that?
Will the notes, sir?
Will the
The notes
have been written by her?
have been
Written by her.
Written by
written by
Her.
her. Written by her. Okay, very good. And now the next one, they will have won the match. They will have won the match. What is the object?
They, sir.
What is the object now to bring
match.
into
The
subject?
Match, sir.
Match.
Match.
The match.
The match. Continue.
will have been
The match will
Okay,
have been
will have
won
been
by them.
won by them.
Won by them.
won by them. Very good. So now the last sentence in future perfect tense. Vijay will have washed a shirt. Vijay will have washed a shirt. Let Vijay come and say answer now. Vijay, unmute your device. Is Vijay there in the class? Is Vijay there in the class now? No? He's not there
Yes,
in the
sir.
class?
One by is there.
Yeah, Vijay is there now. Vijay Kora.
Yes,
Hey
sir.
Vijay, unmute your device. You must have gone somewhere, you know. Okay, Narsimha ready. You tell the sentence.
Yes, sir.
Vijay will have what shirt, you know. What is the
Yes, sir.
object?
A shirt.
A shirt. Okay, a shirt.
A shirt will have been
Very good. We have
washed by
washed by
Vijay.
Vijay. Very good. So now, are there any difficulties in understanding these topics now, especially while changing the sentence from active voice to passive voice? If you feel any difficulty, any sentence, you can ask me now so that we will practice. We have just another 5 to 10 minutes of time. We can finish it now. Because I have given the complete images of all these structures, you know, how to change from active voice to passive voice. And so that I feel that most of the students must have been benefited by watching the images here. Okay. But only thing is you need to practice. If you fail to understand in any context, you know, any sentence or situation, you please ask me now so that we will work together. Okay. If no doubts, you know, I will stop the presentation. I will go back to. With this, we have ended the voice now. Okay. And we have completed all the tenses now. That is 8 tenses that what we have introduced from active voice to passive voice with examples and with some exercises and even with some assignment also. So altogether, there will be an assignment on all these 8 tenses now to change the sentences from active voice to passive voice. Maybe sometimes you may get a question or sometimes you may get a negative sentence also. Okay. All the sentences will be given in one assignment and everybody is supposed to, because I have whatever I have given so far, it is only for practice. But now I am going to give you a kind of an assignment on tenses, one assignment, and voice is the other assignment now. Okay, in the next class we will go to the other topics like degrees of comparison, direct and indirect speech. Okay, na? So any other issues, you can talk to me now. It's your time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'll prepare the work, you know, the assignment.
Sir.
Ramavati, Monica.
Structures అన్ని ఒకసారి వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో సెండ్ చేయండి సార్.
I will post all the structures, you know. మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోలేదా? ఏం చేస్తున్నారు క్లాస్ లో?
సార్ ఇది రావటం లేదు సార్ స్క్రీన్స్.
Okay. If anyone has taken the screenshot, please share in the WhatsApp group, ma. I will try. Okay.
Okay,
if
sir.
I will share. If any of your friends, you know, have already taken the screenshot, please share in the groups. Right.
Okay, sir.
And our class is also, I mean, I have also uploaded our class on YouTube. I will share the link with all of you. You can listen later also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.